Hey friends, welcome back to my video. Today in this video we will learn what are the best online earning ways for students. So if you are a student and want to make money online, then let me tell you best ways that you can earn money with for free without investment. These methods can be used by students all over the world to work part-time and earn some extra cash online. I'm assuming that you may have already heard about the affiliate marketing, blogging, freelancing, publishing a Kindle ebook. To be honest with you, all of these methods are good, but they require considerable time, effort, and investment to start with. So what can be done despite this? Instead of these, I would recommend that you start with easy and fast ways of making money online so that with the confidence and some initial capital which you can then invest into buy courses to learn more and update your current skill sets to earn money with online. Here are some easy ways to make money online as a student for free. First one is get paid to fill up online surveys. A popular way for students to make money online is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Big research companies are always recruiting new people worldwide to have their research completed through the survey sites. For a few minutes of form filling, you can make some quick money which will be paid to you in cash or gift cards. If you are lucky, you can even get up to $5 for some surveys. There are plenty of legitimate ways using which you can earn money by using survey sites. There are survey sites like Swagbucks, Ysense, Price Rebel, Ironbucks, Life Points, Your Government, etc. that you can join for free and start earning money right away. Hey friends, welcome back to my video. Today in this video we will learn what are the best online earning ways for students. Here are some easy ways to make money online as a student for free. First one is get paid to fill up online surveys. A popular way for students to make money online is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Big research companies are always recruiting new people worldwide to have their research completed through the survey sites. For a few minutes of form filling, you can make some quick money which will be paid to you in cash or gift cards. If you are lucky, you can even get up to $5 for some surveys. There are plenty of legitimate ways using which you can earn money by using survey sites. There are survey sites like Swagbucks, Ysense, Price Rebel. Hi friends and welcome back to my video. Today in this video we will learn what's the easiest way to make money online. There are many ways to make money online, but it doesn't matter if you have a blog or not. Why I'm saying this? Because many people think that only monetization of your content is the way to make money online. However, there are plenty of sites which will pay you for the time you dedicate to their sites. Okay, one of the most popular ways to make money online is by completing surveys. There are a lot of different sites that offer the survey opportunities, but one of the best places to start is SurveyJunkie. They offer a wide range of the surveys and reward their users with points they can redeem for cash or prizes, including Amazon gift cards. Another great site is Swagbucks, which offer their users the opportunity to earn points called SB points. So SB points can be earned by watching different videos, shopping online, taking surveys, and playing games and more. You can exchange those points for free gift cards and which can be used to redeem at major retailers like Amazon, Target, and Walmart. They also offer you $5 sign-up bonus. But to get this sign-up bonus, you can use the referral link that is provided. If you are eager to find out more about Swagbucks, then just visit www.swagbucks.com. Thank you. Hey friends, welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn how to make money using Fiverr. So there are a lot of online money making websites and one of them is Fiverr. If you are curious about learning a way to make money on Fiverr without having any skills or without having any recommendations, then keep watching this guide. Fiverr may be a virtual marketplace wherever patrons and sellers will trade services that are supported with their talent sets. As a world of freelance marketplace with a presence in the additional than 160 countries, it is probably the foremost well liked nowadays. So there are like 42 million patrons annually victimizing on the Fiverr. The worth of the Fiverr gross merchandise is nearly $700 million, creating it one of all the most important freelance marketplace in the world. In exchange of money, it is marketplace for individuals to sell their skills. Sellers are eligible for like 18th of what they earn. So in a very competitive market, wherever a lot of businesses are searching for freelance support and professionals are beginning to remote careers, Fiverr is well positioned to capture some work. In this guide, we will discuss the how Fiverr works and the way anyone will make money on Fiverr with no skills. Simply keep watching this video ahead. Fiverr could be a platform wherever you will be part of like gratis and sell your freelance services. It is a good possibility if you need to alter into different platforms as a freelancer or if you only want some more money. But before you will begin making money, you will initially thought to find out how to make the gigs on Fiverr. So gigs is one of the way by using which you work on the Fiverr and you get paid for your services. So Fiverr, which will attract purchases and generate sales for you, is by using a gig. So gig overview is that first go to the section where you can create the gig. You will be asked to fill out three things for this one: your gig title, then your target class, and relevant search tags. So tags are very important while making the gigs because this will be the searched by purchaser and it will be purchased at your gig section. So write your gig title in 80 characters at least and place your applicable class. So Fiverr can also counsel the classes for you if you don't know how to make the gigs. Okay. And next, if you wish to feature the relevant search tags, then you can also buy some credits and use those credits to promote your gigs. By using these gigs, you can make a lot of money on Fiverr. So just go to the Fiverr and sign up today. Thank you guys. Hey friends, welcome to my video one more time. Today we are going to explore one very important question that being asked me many times, which is the trusted websites for an online data entry job. So there are millions of fake websites which ask you to pay money before you can join a data entry work, but you definitely not have to visit such a website. The website from which you will get data entry work and which is very trusted is People Per Hour and Freelance. These are the best data entry work so far. Apart from this, you can also find some real paying data entry jobs at Remote Task, Appen, Lionbridge, Clickworker, and Xerox. These are some legit sites to make money online, and other websites don't have more work related to data entry, so don't register on them. You will get work after making a proper profile of yours, and it should be very attractive so that you can get more orders for data entry work. You will get orders slowly, but if you start getting work, there is no stopping you. You will get more orders. So I request you to make profile that will look attractive and that will attract more freelancing work for you. So register on the above listed websites so that you can start working with data entry work. Thank you and see you next time. Hello friends and welcome back to my video. Today we will talk about one question that people keep asking me. Are there any legit websites to earn $20 a day? While there are many illegitimate sites that will promise you large sums of money for very little work, there are also sites that are legitimate sites but they will pay you reasonable payouts. However, it is very important to be cautious about these sites and make sure that you understand their terms and conditions before signing up. Some of the most reputable pay-to-click websites include Swagbucks, which pays users in the form of points that are redeemable for cash or prize, and websites that pay you to click, which pays participants based on how much time they spend on their website. Once you are registered with one of these sites, be sure to carefully track your earnings so that you know exactly how much money you are making every day. There are many scams out there, which will promise you easy money by completing short tasks or selling products. Be wary of any websites that asks you for the personal information, especially if it is asking for you money to join affiliate programs. Stay away from those sites. Always do your research before signing up for anything and be sure to only use reputable sources of income like online surveys, paid subscriptions, and micro tasks from companies like Crowdflower. Thank you.